Wahid, you can start with the introduction of the speaker.
Yes. So I would like to take the opportunity to introduce Dr. Syed Ali Luqman Hussaini, um, who is a psychologist, a life coach, a motivational speaker, and assistant professor for the Premium Institutes of Business and Management, currently a director of Gyanam Academy and Junior College, and most senior volunteer of Career Guidance Council. I'll be happy to say that. Sir is associated with Career Guidance Council from last 10 plus years. So thank you so much for giving us a precious time, and we'll be happy to hear you, sir. You can start. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Wahid. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, all the volunteers who are here, and people, those who have joined. It's quite a long time that I have interacted with the people on the platform of CGC. Given my busy schedule and kind of hectic responsibilities which I'm having now of running an institution, I'm hardly finding time to work on doing this kind of sessions, although this is one of my passion which I would like to. So when I got this kind of call from Munawar Bhai to do this, I readily accepted, because when an opportunity knocks, you should quickly jump to that. I was not taking the initiative because of my business, but when I was told that I have to do this, then I took this as an opportunity. So and I'm sure this is going to be beneficial to all the people, those who are here, because this book is very, very relevant from the time it was written, and still, and I'm sure it is going to be relevant for a lot of time to come, because the theme on which the book is based is something which is never going to change. You know what is that? Anybody? The theme on which the book is written is such that which is not going to change. वो ऐसा थीम है जो कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. क्या आप गेस कर सकते हैं कि वो क्या थीम है? Change, very true. So it is said that change is constant. Rest all of the things are changeable. I mean, only change is going to remain. Rest all things are going to change. So that means change is the part of life. Ever since this world was made, there is a change which is happening. We read about evolution of various ideas, concepts. We read about the evolution of practices, etc. काफी सारे चीजें जो है change होती रहती हैं. So much so that the Darwinian theory also talks about the evolution of the species. Although not all the ideas of Darwin are even acceptable by the scientists of the day. Scientists भी काफी सारे Darwin के ideas को जो है refuse करते हैं. And being a Muslim, I also refuse the concept of man evolving from the monkey or the apes. But the one thing is for sure, that is we are all evolving as a human race. We are evolving as people, those who are doing new things and experimenting with new things, and trying to make the life better, trying to make the world a better place to live. ये जो है हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So ये book उस वक्त से relevant है जब से लिखी गई है, या उससे पहले भी जो है इसके concepts जो है ideas relevant थे, और बहुत सारे लोग ये ideas और concepts को जो है use कर ही रहे थे. Definitely that's the reason why the world was able to progress so much. एक चीज ये है कि आइडियाज किसी के प्रेजेंट करने के बाद ही जो है पैदा नहीं होते, वो आइडियाज एग्जिस्ट करते रहते हैं. इट इज द मेरिट ऑफ द पर्सन इज दैट ही इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू प्रेजेंट द आइडिया. ठीक है. तो स्पेंसर जॉनसन is the author of this book, very popular book. It's one of the best sellers all across the globe. Who Moved My Cheese? Well, the title itself will evoke interest in many people. थोड़े लोगों को शायद टाइटल से बिल्कुल अजीब लगेगा, लेकिन जब आप ये बुक के बारे में सुनेंगे, इसके कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में जो है जब आप फेमिलियर होंगे, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली स्टार्ट लाइकिंग इट. This is one of the books which I read in the first phase of my reading habit, and I have admired it for long. मेरे ख्याल से 3-4 बार जो है मैं इसको रिव्यू कर चुका हूँ, and this time perhaps the 5th time I have reviewed it for the sake of sharing it with all of you. It comes in the form of a small booklet. काफी छोटी सी book है, but right now I do not advise it to you to read it, because the pleasure of this session will anyway go away. After the session is over, I suggest all of you to have this book, read it, and review it every time you are stuck up with difficulties or stuck up with changes. So let's get ahead, let's get started. एक सजेशन थोड़ा सा ये है, शायद आप लोग को ऑलरेडी बताया जाता है कि आप लोग म्यूट पे रखें, लेकिन मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर आपके सराउंडिंग्स में कोई नॉइज नहीं है, if there is no noise, like even the noise of fan is not there, so please unmute yourself and be responsive to whatever I ask. आप जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स देंगे तो मुझे जो है सेशन को आगे बढ़ाने में ज्यादा encouragement मिलेगा और आसानी होगी. अगर डिस्टर्बेंस है तो I request you, I plead, please keep yourself muted, क्योंकि that will cause a lot of irritation, more particularly to me and to other people also. So let's get started. So Who Moved My Cheese is the theme of this book, written by Spencer Johnson. Before the first slide, let me ask people, at least 3 of you, please tell me what do you expect from this. आप क्या expect कर रहे हैं? You can just raise your hand or start speaking. Yes, so nobody is expecting anything from this.
Hi, Mr. Luqman. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello. Walaikum assalam.
So, currently I'm jobless from the past couple of months. So I just want to be motivated, and I want to accept this change of being jobless for a couple of months, and to be motivated by the session that you're giving right now. And hopefully I'll try my best for the next options that will come across.
Great. Whatever happens for good. I'm
yeah.
sure Riazuddin, mashallah, there are so many things in this session, even today and even the time to come, that
Yes.
would be definitely helpful to you and people, those who are in a similar phase like you are in. अभी आप job अपना जो है नहीं है
जी.
आपके पास, तो this book definitely is going to help you, inshallah. Next,
Inshallah,
anybody
thank
else? 2 more people. What do you expect from this?
Hi sir, this is Imran.
Yes, Imran.
I think as per this, I understand that someone has stolen my cheese.
Okay, so you seem to be interested in the story. Somebody has stolen the cheese of the mice, and you just want to know who that is. So you just want to kill the suspense, mashallah. Okay, all right. You'll get the answer for this. Who has stolen the cheese of the mouse? Okay, next, anybody else? What do you expect from this?
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Mr. Jafar.
Just we are expecting from life and work balance. We are expecting the session on
Okay,
life and
work life balance. All right. So थोड़ा सा हमको connect करना पड़ेगा. Directly this book doesn't deal with that, but we will have to connect, and I can make out थोड़े ऐसे points हैं इसमें वैसे जो है आपको आपके जो expectation है उसको connect करने के लिए फायदेमंद होंगे. Like sometimes something is lost in our work, and sometimes something is lost in our life. तो उसको जो है हम कैसे how to gain it back, how to win it back, उसके ऊपर जो है उसके लिए हमें इसमें से जो है सबक मिलेगा. So what I'm going to do in the course of the lecture, मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलूँगा. I'm going to switch to Urdu and English. I'm sure all of you would be comfortable with that. And if I tell something in Urdu, just a minute, let me scan through the participants. If somebody may not understand the Hindi or Urdu here, I don't see anybody who might be unfamiliar with Hindi or Urdu. So, but still, if somebody wants something to be in English, we will do that. And somebody wants something to be in Urdu, we will do that. इंशाल्लाह. बुक तो छोटी है, लेकिन इसको 3 वेबिनार्स में डिवाइड करने का मकसद ये है कि थोड़ा सा हम डिटेल्ड वे में जो है इसको समझें और इसके बारे में डिस्कस भी करें. टिपिकली ये बुक जो है वैसे अगर देखा जाए तो इट मे बी फिनिश्ड, इफ समबडी इज अ गुड रीडर देन ही मे फिनिश दिस बुक इन एन आवर. 1 घंटा या 1 घंटा 15 मिनट 20 मिनट में आप खत्म कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इसको हम एक्सटेंडेड वे में जो है डिस्कस करेंगे. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आज के सेशन से हमें क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना है, ये 2 चीजें हम जो है पहले देख लेंगे, उसके बाद वी विल गेट टू द सेशन. द फर्स्ट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम टुडेज सेशन is release of negative energy. हमें थोड़ी सी इंशाअल्लाह ताला negative energy अपनी खोने का मौका मिलेगा, छोड़ने का मौका मिलेगा, and the opposite will happen. When you lose something, the other would come. Like ये एक जो है ecological balance है जो ऐसे ही जो है maintain होता है. जहाँ पर air कहीं से अगर चली जाए तो some other air would come. There is no vacuum which is going to be created in a particular place. ये हम सब जानते हैं जो physics और geography पढ़े हैं कि absence of air leads to the air from other places to come in. That's why the wind moves, and that's why cyclones occur, and that's why things happen. So जब हम negative energy को जो है release कर देंगे, when we get rid of negative energy, we wish, we expect, we hope, and we will work for getting the positive energy in its place, inshallah. Secondly, we would start seeing the obvious things. कभी कभी क्या होता है, बिल्कुल चीजें बहुत अलानिया हमारे सामने होती हैं, बहुत सिंपली हमारे जो सामने प्रेजेंट होती हैं, लेकिन हमारी नजर उस पर नहीं पड़ती. Till somebody comes and tells us that, you look at there, no, it is there itself. You might have experienced similar kind of things in your life also. So it is not only about physical life, material life, जहाँ पर चीजें, for example, where you have kept your mobile phone or where you have kept your keys, etc. इसके बारे में नहीं, कभी कभी आप खो जाती है चीजें आपकी, तो आपको नहीं मिलती. somebody comes and says there it is, and you are surprised to see that. So ये सिर्फ material life की या material चीजों से ही नहीं होती, बल्कि ideas में भी ऐसे होता है. कभी कभी हम बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स का सिंपल सॉल्यूशन पा ले सकते हैं अगर किसी कोई हमारी तरफ जो है हमको मदद कर दे, या हमारा इशारा हमें जो है उस चीज की तरफ इशारा कर दे, तो somebody shows the idea to that. So these sessions are aimed at doing that. These sessions are going to make an effort to show you what is very obvious in front of you and what is so simple to understand and connect to and move ahead in your life, inshallah. So let's get started. Let's start with a short story about this book. When this book was written and when it started selling, this is the story of Charlie Jones. He was an anchor in the NBC television, and he was a sports journalist. So he would be sent to sports events where he would cover the sports event and do commentary on that and present the news item in the on the television. He was familiar, or he was passionate about track and field events like running, basketball, etc., etc. And he was a very popular sports journalist. However, during Olympics, he was given swimming and diving events, which he was not very much keen to do. He was not much interested in that. But perhaps as a punishment, or perhaps as a kind of new lesson, the editor of the television has given this particular sports to Charlie Jones to cover, which he didn't like. But he could not do anything. He had to go there, क्योंकि अगर उसको जो है job रखना है अपना, तो he had to do things like that, which he is not familiar with or which he is not interested in. ऐसा शायद आप लोगों की लाइफ में भी होता है, जो जॉब पर लोग हैं, उन्हें ऐसे किसी प्रोजेक्ट में दे दिया जाता है या ऐसे डिपार्टमेंट में जो है डेप्यूट किया जाता है जहां पर वो काम करना पसंद नहीं करते. तो वैसे ही जो है चार्ली जोन्स के साथ हुआ था. तो जब चार्ली जोन्स ये बुक पढ़ा, Who Moved My Cheese, then he realized that nothing big has happened in his life. कुछ बड़ा नहीं हुआ. It's only that somebody has moved his cheese. किसी ने उसका चीज जो है हटा दिया है. And then he was very pleased with that, and then he covered the swimming and diving event, and he covered it very, very well, because he took a lesson from this book, and he involved himself 100% in whatever he was doing, whether he liked it or not. And looking at his performance, then he was given more challenging and more interesting projects to cover. So that was the transformation or a change which Charlie Jones was able to get by following or identifying certain principles from this book. I expect, I hope, and we will work that all of us, including myself, we get some feathers from this particular story so that we can use them in our life also to grow. ठीक है, so let's move ahead furthermore. So cheese, you see, उर्दू की बात हो रही थोड़ी देर पहले, तो चीज के माने यहाँ पर जो है वो चीज के नहीं है, कोई भी चीज, ठीक है. We are talking about cheese which is eaten, मस्का बोलते हैं ना, वो जो खाने वाली चीज होती है वो चीज, ठीक है. So there is a story behind this story. वो जो बैकग्राउंड में है ना, that is a small image of cheese. Most of यहाँ पर हमारे कल्चर में दरअसल अगर कोई इंडियन ये बुक लिखा होता, तो he would not have used this name, Who Moved My Cheese. He would have rather said perhaps Who Moved My Roti, or Who Moved My Idli, something like that. Who moved my whatever you are more familiar to. Who moved my chai, ठीक है. So because it is written by a foreigner where the food habits include cheese, bread, butter, jam, etc. तो इसीलिए ये word जो है cheese आया है इसके अंदर. There is a story behind this story. Just to start, the mouse and the little man story. देयर वाज अ मीटिंग बीइंग हेल्ड एट शिकागो. ये ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें जो नहीं है मैं उसको सरसरी तौर पे जो है टच करते हुए आगे निकल रहा हूँ, बट दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू रिलेट. कभी कभी होता क्या है मालूम है, बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हम सुनते हैं लेकिन हम स्टोरी को स्टोरी समझ के ही सुनते हैं. We consider that as something which happened some time back. It's a story, so we just listen to it and we do not take any lesson from that. So ये story behind the story के बारे में डिस्कस करने का मकसद ये है कि हमें पता चले कि हम इस स्टोरी को कैसे अपनी लाइफ में जो है यूज कर सकते हैं. How do we use this story in our life? All right. So this is the story behind the story that a few people from one of the college, जो अपने alumni लोग होते हैं वो join हुए एक जगह पर और they were discussing about their heydays, यानी कि जब वो स्कूल कॉलेज में थे, लास्ट ईयर फाइनल ईयर फेयरवेल डेज एक्सेट्रा वो सब याद कर रहे थे. एंड एवरीबody वर शेयरिंग देयर सेट ऑफ देयर शेयर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. सब अपने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स जो है एक दूसरे को बता रहे थे और people were in difficulty, people were having good life. जैसा कि अभी यहाँ पर जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं हमारे यहाँ पर अभी 45 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ. सो हम अपनी लाइफ में अलग अलग स्टेजेस पर हैं. किसी की लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, किसी की लाइफ में सब कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, किसी की लाइफ में बहुत कुछ खराब चल रहा है. So everybody was sharing like that. And among all of them, there was Michael who shared that his organization was going through a very rough phase. बहुत challenging situation से जा रहा था और they had to change. Change was essential then. Change उनके लिए compulsory हो चुका था. And then they changed somehow. How did they change? He said that we changed because we followed a story. And everybody was amazed. सबको जो है बहुत ताज्जुब हुआ कि कैसे एक स्टोरी जो है किसी के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चेंज को जो है मदद कर सकती है. So people were amazed and they asked him how did they do so, and somebody was also interested in knowing what the story was like. So he said, okay, it doesn't take much of a time, so let me share the story with you. So he shares the story, and there is a story after the story also. Yeah, this is a amalgamation, yes, a connection of collection of two stories, you can say. One is the story of these guys and the other is the story which we are going to start now. After the story ends, again these people are going to interact or have a word with each other about what did they learn from the story of the two mice and two little men. So the story is about 4 different characters here. और हम में से यहाँ पर जो भी लोग मौजूद हैं, हम ये चारों में से एक कैरेक्टर को ज्यादा करीब से कनेक्ट करते हैं. Either we are Sniff or we are Scurry or we are Hem or we are Haw. Somehow most of our characteristics would be connected to these people when it comes to our वर्क लाइफ, स्पेशली वर्क लाइफ. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ वर्क लाइफ से रिलेटेड है, हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ से भी ये स्टोरी काफी रिलेटेड है. तो लेकिन जो है हम किसी ना किसी से कनेक्ट होते हैं. स्निफ एंड स्करी, एज यू कैन सी इन द इमेज आल्सो, दीज आर माइस. चूहे हैं छोटे से और चूहों का दिमाग तो काफी सिंपल होता है, यू कैन मेक आउट, क्योंकि जो है उन्हें किसी सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी में काम करना नहीं होता. दे आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड टू ग्रेजुएट. सो द गॉड ऑलमाइटी हैज नॉट मेड देयर माइंड्स और ब्रेन्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. दे आर सिंपल कैरेक्टर्स, बिल्कुल छोटे से कैरेक्टर्स हैं. उन्हें सिर्फ उनके लिए 2 चीजें हैं रहने वाली, ठीक है. ब्रदर यू कैन से 3. वन इज सर्वाइवल, ईट. दूसरा जो है सेफ्टी, रन अवे व्हेन देयर इज अ डेंजर. और तीसरा जो है रिप्रोड्यूस. ये 3 जो है बेसिकली एनिमल्स के जो है कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. ईट, सेफ्टी, रन अवे व्हेन देयर इज अ डेंजर, एंड थर्डली रिप्रोड्यूस, increase the population of their own species. ये जो है characters होते हैं अपने animals के especially. So Sniff and Scurry also belong to that category. They are simple brains. Then Hem and Haw, this is a fictitious character. Little people can like human beings, like you and me. Because they are people, they will have brains like you and me. And when you have brains, what is different from the mice here? अगर हमारे पास क्योंकि जो है complicated brain है, तो हमें और उनमें क्या फर्क हो जाएगा? Somebody can share their thought on this. Yes, please tell something.
We will think before doing or taking some decisions.
Good, mashallah. Sounds positive. और कुछ? Somebody?
हमारे expectations बढ़ेंगे.
Okay, because we have brains, we have complicated brains, so our expectations will be higher when compared to the mice. Very true. और कोई point? तीसरा, third person before we get started, move ahead.
We will be never happy with whatever we get.
ओके, सो कंटेंटमेंट नहीं होगा हमारे पास, हम कंटेंट नहीं होंगे अगर हम जो है कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ब्रेन से हैं, ठीक है। ये तमाम चीजें हैं, और भी काफी सारे चीजें होती हैं जो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ब्रेन्स के जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं। जैसे कि हम हर चीज करने से पहले बहुत सोचते हैं, वी हैव अवर अप्रहेंशंस, हमें डर लगा हुआ होता है, हमें पास्ट का डर लगा हुआ है, वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ व्हाट इज गोइंग टू कम, हम एंग्शियस भी हैं, वी आर स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन द पास्ट एंड वी आर एंग्शियस अबाउट व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन इन द फ्यूचर। ये एक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ब्रेन और थॉटफुल ब्रेन के जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं। और हम चीजों को भी लाइक अवर ब्रेन वी consider things also to be complicated. किसी का माइक्रोफोन ऑन है, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, देयर इज सम डिस्टरबेंस। सो कहाँ थे हम? राइट, सो वी आर, बिकॉज वी आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, वी लुक एट थिंग्स ऑल्सो इन ए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैनर। हम समझते हैं कि चीजें इतनी सिंपल नहीं हो सकती। वेल, दिस स्टोरी विल definitely challenge that kind of imagination, that kind of belief. अगर हमारी ये बिलीफ है कि चीजें सिंपल नहीं हो सकती, तो ये स्टोरी आपकी जो है बिलीफ को तोड़ेगी, क्योंकि काफी सारी चीजें जो है बहुत सिंपल हैं। नाउ लेट्स मूविंग अहेड। ये जो स्टोरी है, मैं अभी एक पॉइंट बोला था कि हमारी लाइफ से कनेक्टेड है, और कहीं ना कहीं हम कुछ हद तक स्निफ से मैच करते हैं, कुछ हद तक स्करी से, कुछ हद तक हम हेम और हॉ से जो है मैच करते हैं। वी मैच विद दिस 4 कैरेक्टर्स in different levels, and some of us are very close to some character, and also this story runs across number of days. ये कुछ दिनों की स्टोरी है, ठीक है। और ये दिनों, ये नंबर ऑफ डेज की जो स्टोरी है, इसमें और हमारी करंट लाइफ स्टेटस में एक मैच है, ठीक है। For some of us we are in the first day of the story, for some of us we are in the 3rd or 5th day of the story, for some of us we are in the last day of the story, ठीक है। So we are in different zones when it comes to this story. All right, so that is what you have to relate to, because I do not know you personally, मैं आपको personally नहीं जानता, although you can ask me questions and I can definitely answer you from whatever I can understand and relate to. लेकिन यहाँ पर आपका काम है कि आप रिलेट कर लें खुद को, अपने आप को एक कैरेक्टर के साथ, और अपने आप को आप रिलेट कर लें एक जोन के साथ। किस स्टोरी के किस फेज से जो है आप ज्यादा कनेक्टेड हैं, ये आपको खुद रिलेट करना है, ठीक है। और एक चीज बेसिकली साइकोलॉजिकल पर्सपेक्टिव मैं देना चाह रहा हूँ बिफोर वी गेट टू द एक्चुअल स्टोरी, दैट इज लोग 2 तरीके से सोचते हैं, ठीक है। लाइक स्निफ एंड स्करी सिंपल ब्रेन लोग एक तरीके से सोचते हैं, और हेम एंड हॉ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ब्रेन्स वाले लोग कुछ और तरीके से सोचते हैं। फर्स्ट इज इंट्यूशन। इंट्यूशन किसे कहते हैं? इंट्यूशन मीन्स द सिंपल गेसेस वी मेक, लाइक व्हेन समबडी टॉसेस अ कॉइन, आपसे पूछा जाएगा क्या है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट गोइंग टू कम, सो सम ऑफ यू मे से हेड, सम ऑफ यू मे से टेल। ऑन व्हाट बेसिस आर यू सेइंग सो? आर यू लुकिंग एट द पोजीशन ऑफ द पर्सन, वो नॉर्थ फेसिंग है, ईस्ट फेसिंग है, द हाइट ऑफ द पर्सन and the size of the thumb, the size of the coin, the weather conditions, etc. Are you seeing these things? The answer is no. When you say head or tail, you are just going by your intuition. And what is the probability? The probability is that 50% you are going to be right. ये intuition है, ठीक है। हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जो है काम करता है, हम जो है कुछ भी आंसर दे देते हैं सही, that is intuition. And secondly, people use logic and consciousness to answer things. Like if I ask you a question, अभी ये सेशन में भी मैं अब तक शायद 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका हूँ आपसे, और आपने उसको अपने इंट्यूशन पे आंसर नहीं दिया, बल्कि you had developed some logic to answer that, and some of you were delayed so they could not respond. So ये 2 बेसिकली हमारे जो है सोचने के तरीके होते हैं, या काम करने से पहले हम जो सोचते हैं ना, some thought comes to our mind, that is either intuition subconscious or logic and consciousness. All right, moving ahead, थोड़ा सा और related factor of the story is maze. Like फिर यहाँ पर हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में थोड़ा चैलेंज हो जाएगा आपको। हिंदी में मेज वो है जिसपे आपने अपना लैपटॉप रखा है, और इंग्लिश में मेज जो आप बैकग्राउंड में इमेज देख रहे हैं, दैट इज ए मेज। भूल भुलैया काफी सारे लोग इससे जानेंगे उसको। When we enter into a maze, you will find it difficult to get out of the maze. ठीक है, it's a challenging situation or a challenging scenario. Sometimes it is used for fun also. Some adventure camps, adventure spots would have this kind of places where you get in and you get lost, you are unable to find your dear ones, and then you get out somehow taking guidance from somebody. So this story, the entire story runs in a maze. ये जो है एक भूल भुलैया में ये स्टोरी चल रही है, ठीक है, जहां पर ये स्निफ, स्करी, हेम एंड हॉ जो है अपने हिस्से का चीज जो है तलाश कर रहे हैं। ऑलराइट, ये मेज के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या होते हैं? मेज हैज डार्क कॉर्नर्स, surprises. The maze has surprises. You run fast and you see all of a sudden there is a dead end. You cannot move further, and there is a surprise exit also. अचानक से आपको एक रास्ता मिल जाएगा वहां से. And so these kind of then there are blind alleys जहां से आपको कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा कि क्या हो रहा है, आप कहां से आए हैं, and where you are coming from you are not aware, and where you are heading you would not be very sure about that. So ये जो है maze के characteristics होते हैं typically. So this entire story runs in a maze. All right. The maze of life, हम सब जो हैं अपनी जिंदगी के मेज में हैं, एक भूल भुलैया में हैं, ठीक है. A maze which holds secrets for us. हमारे लिए काफी सारे secrets हैं इसके अंदर, हमारे लिए काफी सारे surprises हैं. क्या पता अभी आप लोग ये सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं, immediately after the session you get a call, you get a good opportunity, or immediately after this session you listen something which is not very pleasant. So this maze of our life has so many secrets, so many surprises, and so many shocks for us. And based on the secrets, shocks, and surprises, we take the turns and we try to get out of this particular maze, and we want to have our life simple. And some people will enjoy in this maze. By the way, anybody has the experience or opportunity to get into the bhool bhulaiya kind of thing? कहीं adventure parks वगैरह में होते हैं ये. Please raise your hand if you have had the experience of getting into a maze. Bhool bhulaiya. Unfortunately, I did not get this chance, but I look forward to. All right, so we find 3 people here who had been into that maze. तो आपको मालूम था, Ashab and Mr. Jabbar and Ashraf, so you knew that the maze is going to be complicated. Why did you get in that? क्यों enter हुए आप लोग उसके अंदर? Somebody please answer.
Just take a challenge to achieve the target.
Great, mashallah. So you wanted to overcome a challenge. You wanted to take the challenge of cracking the maze. Good. और कोई? Mr. Ashraf, why did you get into that? कोई जबरदस्ती थी क्या आपके ऊपर?
For challenge and fun. That was a fun activity.
That's very good. Yeah, so fun. It's very funny to be in the maze. बहुत interesting होता है, बहुत funny होता है, मजा आता है. मुस्तकीम, आप क्यों enter हुए थे maze में? All right, so it is very funny, it's very interesting, and it's quite challenging. बहुत मजा आएगा. If maybe most of you are excited now, you wish to get into a kind of this thing if you get an opportunity. तो हमारी लाइफ में भी जो है हम इस तरह से एंजॉय कर सकते हैं अगर जब तक हमारी लाइफ में सरप्राइजेस, शॉक्स और सीक्रेट्स हैं. इमेजिन करिए आपकी लाइफ काफी सिंपल हो जाए, बहुत रूटीन हो जाए, आप रोज सुबह उठ रहे हैं, अपने जॉब पे जा रहे हैं, यू आर गेटिंग योर फिक्स्ड साइज ऑफ ब्रेड एंड बटर, मीट, व्हाटएवर, बिल्कुल लिमिटेड मिल रहा है आपको, जितना होना है जरूरत है. आपके एनुअली जो है फिक्स्ड काइंड ऑफ इंक्रीमेंट है, प्रेडिक्टेबल चीजें चल रही हैं लाइफ में, तो यू वुड नॉट बी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड. सॉरी. सो योर लाइफ विल बी गेटिंग बोरिंग. तो मेज ही जो है हमारी लाइफ को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाता है. लेट्स मूव अहेड. Okay, our life and work has many actions, और इसी वजह से जो है हम एंजॉय कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. Now let's get to the characters. So Sniff and Scurry, because they had simple brains, they use simple trial and error method. जिनके पास ज्यादा जो है complicated thoughts जिनके नहीं होते, वो क्या करते हैं, अगर आप उनसे कुछ काम करने को बोलें तो they will do and they will experiment, and if they are right they will continue doing so, and if they are wrong they will stop that and they will do something new. तो ये जो है सिंपल लोगों की प्रैक्टिस है. They act on trial and error basis. They act on intuition, जो समझ में आया. They do not use so much of a logic, and they do not have preconceived ideas. They do not want to only get to the bottom of things and do things. ऐसा नहीं होता. They just act on their intuition. And there is hem and haw. ये इस किस्म के लोग हैं जो अपनी ability to think को जो है use करते हैं. They use logic, they use rationality, they cross connect things. यहाँ पर ऐसा हुआ था, वहाँ पर वैसा हुआ था. So there seems to be some connection. They find out some logic, and then they relate to each other, and then they act on things. All right. So Sniff and Scurry जो हैं ये अपनी लाइफ इस मेज में गुजार रहे थे, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड भूल भुलैया में गुजार रहे थे. उनका घर वहीं पर था कहीं पर, और every day their routine was to get out of their homes take their boots, running boots, or take their track and then get into the field. इनकी field क्या है? इनकी field है maze. ये maze में उनका काम क्या है? They had to find cheese because they have to survive. जिंदा रहने के लिए चीज तो चाहिए. So they would run across the maze. Sometimes they find the cheese quickly. Sometimes it takes longer for them. Sometimes they find smaller quantity cheese. Sometimes they find little bigger quantity of cheese. But that's the routine of every day. If they do not work on a given day, then they would not get the cheese. ये जो है इनकी लाइफ का शेड्यूल है. हमारे यहाँ पर जो डेली वेज अर्नर लोग होते हैं उनका भी शेड्यूल इस तरह से ही होता है. एवरी डे दे गेट अप एंड दे ड्राइवर्स फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू जस्ट इमेजिन एंड वेजिटेबल वेंडर्स एंड फ्रूट वेंडर्स वो रोज का रोज कमाते हैं वो लोग. तो मार्केट जाना है, खरीदना है, बेचना है, तो घर जो है पैसा लेकर आ पाएंगे. इफ समडे दे डू नॉट गो देन दे आर गोइंग टू सफर ऑन दैट डे. दिस इज अबाउट डेली वेज अर्नर्स. एंड नाउ थिंक अबाउट द सैलरीड पीपल लाइक मेनी ऑफ परहैप्स ऑल ऑफ मेनी ऑफ अस हियर आर सैलरीड पीपल. तो हमारी लाइफ भी इसी तरह से है. एवरी मंथ वी आर रनिंग फॉर दैट वन डे व्हेन वी गेट अवर पे चेक. जब हमें सैलरी मिलती है देन वी हैव आवर बिल्स टू पे. काफी सारे जो है हमारे एक्सपेंसेस ऑलरेडी हो चुके होते हैं थैंक्स टू द क्रेडिट कार्ड सिस्टम. So we pay a lot of our money to that, the banks who are facilitating these things. And then we are by the mid of the month or by the end of the month again we wait for the salary day to come and then it continues. ये सब हमारी routine का जो है हिस्सा है. Same was happening with Sniff and Scurry and Hem and Haw. They were moving in the maze and they were trying to discover their cheese and then have it, enjoy, and then go back home, relax, and then start the next day with a fresh mind. And that was the routine. One fine day they discover a cheese station by name C, cheese station C. यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा जो है टर्निंग पॉइंट आता है इनकी लाइफ में. तो ये चीज स्टेशन C जैसे ही वो एंटर होते हैं वहां पर बहुत सारा चीज, एज यू कैन सी इन द इमेज ओवर देयर. आई हैव अडॉप्टेड दिस इमेजेस फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. बहुत सारे इमेजेस अवेलेबल हैं नेट में इस स्टोरी को लेकर. So they find a lot of cheese present in the cheese station C. They feel like they got whatever they wished. उनकी जो है जिंदगी का बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट जो है उनको महसूस होता है कि they have discovered the cheese station C. Like some of us would be discovering that when we get an opportunity, जब हमें कोई अच्छी बेहतरीन अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है बहुत कोशिशों के बाद, तो हम जो है ऐसे ही फील करते हैं. जैसा हम फील करते हैं ना वैसे ये लोग जो है उस वक्त पर फील कर रहे थे. So what happened after they got into this cheese station C? Hem and Haw established a new routine. इनके रूटीन में थोड़ी सी तब्दीली आ गई. Can somebody guess what people, those who have not read this book? By the way, before I go ahead furthermore, let me know if anybody has read this book before or somebody knows this story beforehand. किसी को मालूम है already? हाथ उठाइए, please raise your hand. Nobody? Mashallah, good. That makes my job.
I have read it.
Okay, so 1-2 people have read it. All right. So great. You can still participate as a person who doesn't know the story, please. तो कहाँ थे हम? हाँ, Hem and Haw के रूटीन में जो है चेंजेस आते हैं after they discover this cheese station C. Now, can you please guess and tell me what changes you think they got in their life after they discovered the new cheese station? थोड़ा मदद के लिए आप सोचिए कि आपको जब अच्छा जॉब मिल जाता है, आपको जब कोई अच्छी चीज मिल जाती है बहुत सारी, तो आपकी लाइफ में क्या चेंजेस आते हैं, आप वो सोचते रहे जो है थोड़ा सा इसका आंसर करें.
I think they got into comfort zone.
Okay, Jamil Ahmad Khan, that's right. They got into comfort zone. They started believing that things are going to remain the same. Very good. Next, और कोई guess करिए please.
So they might have become lazy in the same way the other brother has told.
They might have become lazy. Very true. Started procrastinating things, चीजों को postpone करना और delay करना, comfort zone में आ जाना. Very true. और कोई last guess before we get ahead and really see what Hem and Haw did?
They may think that this will last forever.
Very good. They might have assumed that this will last forever. ये हमेशा रहने वाला है, एक बार मिल गया तो अब कहीं नहीं जाएगा. ये जो है शायद उन्होंने imagine किया है. Let's see what Spencer John has said about what they did. Hem and Haw. They felt very happy and they felt that they are successful now, that they have achieved something great. And what happened was very true. Whatever you have said is true. Lethargy and procrastination crept into their attitude. Lethargy, susti panna, laziness. Like we Hyderabadi, most of us are Hyderabadi here, I suppose. हमें मालूम है इस चीज का ज़्यादा introduction की जरूरत नहीं है. What is laziness? So lethargy develops in them. Procrastination. last week you had a session on how to procrastinate effectively, so you know what procrastination is and how to do that, कैसे करना है. वैसे भी शायद हमको सिखाने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Most of us know how to procrastinate things, and that's what I was doing when I was supposed to do these sessions long before. So ultimately it's happening now. So procrastination crept into their attitude. वो लोग जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ऐदी बोलते हैं ना हैदराबादी लैंग्वेज में, ऐदी हो गए थे क्योंकि उनको वो मिल गया जो वो रोज ढूंढना करते थे. And they developed a take for granted attitude, अभी जैसा somebody has said, and they got into comfort zone. And what they did, अब हम में थोड़े लोग करते हैं ना, ऑफिस के करीब घर ले लेते, तो कॉलेज के करीब घर ले लेते हैं अपने. So move close to the station, cheese station rather. They started decorating the walls. They started drawing pictures and write things on the wall, which made them smile and be happier. अब जैसे कि they belonged there, they started pretending, or I should say they started feeling that they belong there. वो उन्हीं की जगह है जैसा जो है फील होने लगे. जैसा हम जो है दुनिया में आकर फील करने लगते हैं कि यही है, दिस इज द प्लेस वी आर सपोज्ड टू बी, हम यहीं के लिए हैं, हम यहीं के हैं. हम ऐसा ना भी बोलें तो जो हमारे एक्शंस हैं वो हमें ये जो है हमसे ये काम करवाते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट हेम एंड हॉ स्टार्टेड डूइंग. they made a place close to the cheese station and they started decorating the place as if they are going to be there forever. जैसा कि वहां जिंदगी भर, चलिए ठीक है, जैसा हम सोचे हुए रहते हैं कि हमेशा यहीं रहना है, वैसे वो लोग भी सोच लिए कि हम हमेशा हमें वहीं रहना है. तो they started decorating things, and so much so that Hem and Haw started writing things on the wall, and they wrote having cheese makes you happy. ये जो है चीजें ऐसी इस तरह की इंटरेस्टिंग और फनी और प्लेजेंट चीजें जो है उन्होंने अपने दीवारों पे लिखना शुरू कर दिया. Because they had enough time now. They were not having this routine of running across and going and finding cheese and eating. तो बहुत सारा टाइम मिला, तो they were using this time in doing things like अभी हमारे यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है कि people are making videos. टिकटॉक के वीडियोस बना रहे हैं. अभी तो टिकटॉक शायद बैन है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट स्टेटस टिकटॉक इज इन राइट नाउ, बट मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो व्हाट आर द वेरियस एप्स अवेलेबल. वीडियोस बना रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर जो शेयर कर रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स बना रहे हैं. दैट इज व्हाट दीस फेलोज वर डूइंग इन द चीज स्टेशन सी, बिकॉज दे वर इन कंफर्ट जोन. क्योंकि हम में से भी बहुत सारे लोग कंफर्ट जोन में हैं. नॉट दैट वी आर नॉट वर्किंग, ऐसा नहीं कि हम काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम कॉलेज नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं. करने के बाद भी हम कंफर्ट जोन में रहने की वजह से हम ये सब छोटे मोटे जो चीजें हैं ना, जैसा कि ये लोग दीवार पे लिख रहे हैं हैविंग चीज मेक्स यू हैप्पी, and we are also doing things like that. So let's see what would happen in our life when we relate to what happened in the life of Hem and Haw as they were writing things on this wall. Let us see what is going to happen in our life if we continue doing so. So they wrote things like pretty nice cheese, बहुत अच्छा है, having cheese makes you happy. Every morning they returned with confidence to the cheese station, like जैसा हमेशा है, बिल्कुल सिंपली आ जा रहे हैं, मालूम है यहाँ है बोल के. And this has made them quite arrogant also. थोड़ा सा जो है उनके अंदर अकड़ भी आ गई, जैसा कि हम में से कुछ लोगों को हो जाता है. When we get a good job, when we get a good opportunity, when we start raising ahead of our friends, ahead of our classmates, हम जरा अपने आप को स्पेशल फील करना शुरू करते हैं. हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में चेंज आ जाता, हम उनको बगैर देखे के बात करना शुरू कर देते. और हम जो है you know what all you can just relate to people and just imagine. And it's also very important that when we talk of things like this, we should not only think about others. हम दूसरों के बारे में ही ना सोचे, हम ये भी सोचे कि क्या हम ऐसी चीज कर रहे हैं. If I get an opportunity, if I have got an opportunity, am I behaving the same manner which I'm telling you right now? That's what I am supposed to think. जब आप ये सुन रहे हैं तो आप ये ना सोचे कि आपके साथ कौन कर रहा है, आप सोचें कि आप किसी के साथ कर रहे हैं क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. When you got in a comfort zone, what kind of behavior are you exhibiting towards, especially towards people those who are not in that kind of zone? जो लोग जिनको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली है, उनके साथ आपका ट्रीटमेंट कैसा है और बिहेवियर कैसा है, ये जो है आपको याद रखना है. Alright. So and then they also started feeling that we deserve this cheese. अभी है ना हमारे अंदर, especially if you look at हमारे एक मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी का जो है एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि we feel that we are the special people, we are हमें हमारे साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए, and जो अच्छा होता है वो हमारा हक है उसके ऊपर. How can somebody else have this kind of attitude? Unfortunately, most of us develop. As a result, we do not work. और दूसरे काफी सारी चीजें हैं, when situation so occurs, inshallah we may talk about that. So we deserve this cheese. ये हमारा हक है, ये हमारा ही है, हमारे लिए ही बना है. Kind of attitude they developed and they started having a lot of cheese there and their life changed. उनकी लाइफ में जो है चेंज आ गया. At the same time, Sniff and Scurry जो थे, क्योंकि वो तो चूहे हैं ना, वो बेकार के लोग हैं, उनको क्या दिमाग नहीं है, उनको कोई समझ नहीं है. बिल्कुल जानवरों की तरह हैं, जानवर ही हैं बल्कि, ठीक है. दिस काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड वी आल्सो डेवलप. सो व्हाट डू दीस पीपल डू? ये लोग जो है दे वर इंस्पेक्टिंग द एरिया वेरी रूटीनली. रोजाना जो है वो एरिया को आके इंस्पेक्ट कर रहे थे, इधर उधर जाके देख रहे थे कि क्या हो रहा कॉर्नर्स में. इज देयर एनी थिंग विच इज हैपनिंग इन द चीज स्टेशन विच इज सरप्राइजिंग, शॉकिंग, कि अचानक से कुछ चेंज आ गया तो कैसा. दे वर हैविंग दिस एप्रहेंशंस, डर था उनको. और दे वर निबलिंग थिंग्स, लिख ले रहे थे, कहीं तो भी नोट कर ले रहे थे. दे वर जस्ट conscious about what was happening, unlike Hem and Haw. Hem and Haw were very relaxed, और हाथ सर के पीछे हाथ लगा के बैठ गए. अपने बूट्स, हत्ता के जो है, जो उनके रनिंग बूट्स थे ना, what they did, they hung there somewhere in the corner, कहीं कोने में लगा दिए. अब तो भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, चीज मिल गया हमको. जैसा कि हम अपना रिज्यूम अपडेट नहीं करके रखते ना, that's like they have hung their boots somewhere, and they, like we stopped searching for better opportunities, they hung their boots somewhere. Whereas Sniff and Scurry would always have their boots in their neck. हम हमेशा अपने गले में जो है अपने बूट्स को बंद के रखते थे, जब कभी भी जरूरत पड़ जाए निकाल के पहने और जाके जो है वहां से भागना शुरू हो जाए, because they have to search new cheese station. That's what Sniff and Scurry were doing. And then one fine day as the story goes, but you should say bad day rather for people those who are like Hem and Haw, they discovered that the cheese was missing. ठीक है, they come and they see that the cheese was missing there. There was no cheese in the cheese station C. It was like उनके पैरों के नीचे से जमीन चली गई हो. Like most of us, when we go to office and we discover that a list of 30 people is finalized who are going to be laid off, जिनको निकाल दिया जाएगा अगले महीने. Yeah, maybe worst case with some of us, when you reach office and you are told that I'm sorry, you need not come from today, you need not come from tomorrow. You can pack your things and go out. Because of ABC things, perhaps this kind of things might have happened with some of us. So we are in a situation of cheeseless station. तो जब हमारे साथ ऐसा कुछ होता है तो as if हमारा चीज जो है हमसे छिन गया हो. That is where some of us would be perhaps in our life. जोन की बात कर रहा था ना मैं. हो सकता हम में से कुछ लोग ऐसे जोन में हैं जहां पर हमारा चीज हमसे छीन लिया गया हो. अब चीज यहाँ पर क्या है? What is cheese here? What do we mean by cheese? Anybody? Please add some points from your side. What do you think cheese here refers to? For us, what is cheese for us? Any of us?
Cheese
Comfort
is
zone.
Okay,
Whatever the privileges we are having, or whatever the things which we are used to it.
Okay, the privileges are our cheeses. Very good. Can somebody give some examples? Like, what is cheese for you? Can you tell me what is cheese for you? Somebody?
my job.
Opportunity.
Okay, my job. Somebody said that's a more relevant answer. Opportunity. More than that, opportunity मिल जाने के बाद वो चीज है आपका.
What
luxuries like what we have like
okay.
used
Can
to
you,
it.
can you name it? Can you name it? Like somebody said.
Money, income,
Health.
Money. Okay, health is our cheese. Very good. Money is our cheese. Okay, good.
What the parents feeding to us?
What
Fulfillment of personal objectives.
Success. Is it success?
Success, fulfillment of objectives. Okay, let me simplify certain things. Cheese here is something which we already have. For example, my job. For example, my good relationship with my spouse. For example, my the kind of projects I get. For example, the money I have. For example, the facility I have. For example, the social protection जो हमें गवर्नमेंट से मिला है वो. For example, the political opportunities which we have. ये सब हमारे लिए चीज हैं, ठीक है. And what happens all of a sudden? Somebody comes and demonetization happens and the entire cheese is lost. Somebody who is having some saved money, which is they have just saved it, stored it, that is lost altogether. That is missing cheese. I hope I made sense here. So now, based on what I have given said, can 2-3 of you give me the exact word? What is cheese for you? Ehsan Hussain, I see here. Ehsan Hussain, can you tell me what is cheese for you? अभी right now आपकी लाइफ में आप जरा गौर करके बताओ कि what do you think cheese is for you? Ehsan Hussain, are you there? Okay, Farzeen, what is cheese for you? Am I audible? Somebody raise your hand or tell me.
Yes,
You,
sir.
Okay,
You're audible.
so please respond back. Azim, Mr. Azim, please tell me, what is cheese for you?
Peace.
Peace. Okay, good. For some of us, cheese is peace, P-A-C-E, peace. Some people may take our peace away from us. Health, okay, very good. ये हमारी चीज है. Our health may go. Like recently there was this pandemic and all the issues related to that. So the health was lost in the society. That was missing cheese. Last person.
it can be the
Free
daily
time.
thing. What
Free time, okay. Free time is the cheese. If you are working and having free time, ठीक है. If you are only having free time, that is cheeseless station actually. All
Work
right.
from home is
Somebody
cheese
was
for
saying
me.
something.
I think the happiness.
Okay, happiness can also be lost, but happiness is the product of so many other things. Okay, I just wanted to know some identifiable thing, like my cheese is my phone, my cheese is my pen, like that. My cheese is my job. इस तरह से आप कुछ बताएं.
Sir, Lukman sir, work from home is my cheese.
Okay, so very soon it is going to be missing. Be aware.
Yeah, I'm worried now only.
Okay, all
Money.
right. Money is cheese for some of us. Some people get money from their parents, like hereditary जो आता है ना, विरसे में आता है, वारिस हो जाते हैं. So that is cheese. And some one bad day or one fine day, whatever you say, it's missing. अचानक चीज जो है हमारा मिस हो जाता है. So that happened with Sniff and Scurry. One fine day, Sniff and Scurry come to the cheese station to have their favorite cheese, and they find that the cheese is missing from the cheese station C. So what do? They are not surprised or they do not overanalyze things. वो आए बस देखे अरे it's gone. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह. इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन. That's what we are supposed to say. Everything belongs to the God and everything returns back to the God. So they would just look at things and say, oh, it's gone. They do not overanalyze things, and then immediately they decide to change. अब नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? नहीं है तो you have to go from there, right? Like simple, एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आप नोट करिए. You go out on shopping things. आप कुछ शॉप करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. You reach to the store and you ask for that packet. आप वो दीजिए बोलेंगे, and that person says, oh, he looks in the shelf and says, sorry sir, it's missing, it's not there, it's over, खत्म हो गया. आप क्या करेंगे? Will you stand there getting depressed? No, you would go to another shop. आप दूसरी शॉप पे जाएंगे और वहां से खरीदेंगे. वहां भी नहीं है, you go to third one. Or if you are tired of searching for it, you would go for an alternative and you will buy that and you will have it. तो आप ये करेंगे. You would not overanalyze things. कैसा खत्म हो गया? आप परसों 10 पैकेट मंगाए थे, इतना जल्दी कैसे खत्म हो गया? Why is somebody buying more? You would not get into these things. Like Sniff and Scurry, you would just move away and you would search for whatever you wanted. Sniff lifted his nose. The name यहाँ पर क्या किए हैं ये Spencer Johnson. He has related little bit to the characteristics which these mice and these little people had. Sniff के माने हैं सूंघना, किसी भी चीज को जोर से सूंघने को sniffing बोलते हैं ना. Sniffing dogs of intelligence department, police department. So Sniff lifted his nose and Scurry hurried. Scurry यानी कि कोई भी चीज जल्दी से करने को Scurry बोलते हैं. तो Sniff would smell things, कहाँ से कुछ खुशबू आ रही क्या चीज की, and he would show the direction, and based on that Scurry will hurry and they would run together fast to discover the new cheese. And later in the day, क्योंकि हेम एंड हॉ की रूटीन तो चेंज हो गई थी ना, हैदराबादी हो गए थे वो लोग बहुत सारे. आराम से उठ के सुबह में सुस्ता के थोड़ा सा इधर उधर की बातें करके चलते फिरते टहलते हुए, not even running because boots they have hung somewhere, अभी चल के जाना है. So टहलते हुए when they reached the cheese station C, they discovered the same thing what Sniff and Scurry has done. However, इनका जो behavior था वो थोड़ा सा different था Sniff and Scurry से. What did they say? Hem shouted, "Arey, what happened? What? No cheese? कहाँ गया? It's not fair. How can somebody do this to me? Where is my missing cheese? कहाँ गया मेरा cheese? It was so favorite to me. Who moved my cheese?" यहाँ से इस बुक का जो है थीम लिया गया है. स्टोरी में ये टर्निंग पॉइंट है जहां पर जो है इनका चीज जो है मिसिंग हो गया. सो नाउ जस्ट स्टॉप फॉर ए व्हाइल, 1 मिनट का आप ब्रेक लीजिए और सोचिए कि आपकी ऐसी कौन सी चीज है या आपकी ऐसी कौन सी फेवरेट चीज. अब ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये जो है एक वर्ड हम रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं तो भी वही बन जा रहा, चीज से चीज ही बन रहा. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज है आपकी जो मिस हो गई और आप जो है बिल्कुल शॉक हो गए. जस्ट टेक सम टाइम, हाफ ए मिनट फॉर यू टू पीपल टू थिंक. एंड इफ यू हैव, जनरली आई रिकमेंड, मैं पहले रिकमेंड करना भूल गया, आप जब कभी इस तरह के सेशन में बैठते हैं तो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव ए नोटपैड एंड ए पेन विद यू so that you can write things. I'm sure some of you are having. So please note down what is that something which is lost all of a sudden, अचानक जो है आप मिस कर दिए. It might be a lost relationship perhaps. किसी घर वालों के साथ जो ताल्लुक था, किसी का जॉब हो सकता है, कोई कस्टमर हो सकता है. Some people may lose a customer also. So yes, somebody is saying something.
As soon as we got out of our college, when we see the outside world.
Okay, so you lost the cheese. What was the cheese for you in the college? College में cheese
in the college,
freedom, we can say.
Freedom. Okay, so you have a lot of freedom to do things, experiment new things. You had the license of committing some mistakes, but out on your job you don't have this license to commit mistakes. All right.
This is Mirza Ahmed, and for me, my cheese is my ESET rank, which I lost and got in a different college.
Okay, you did not get the cheese actually. आपको cheese नहीं मिला. Cheese lost क्या है? If you get something and lose it. ठीक है. All right, moving ahead. Somebody?
Yeah.
What did you lose?
So I'll give you the recent example. So right now in this pandemic, we all lost our daily schedule. We had some comfort zone. We had some daily schedule. So which is lost. Now we were at home. So that is something which was a major cheese which we lost.
That's right. Most of us has lost this schedule. Some people lost the opportunities also. They were supposed to join the job and the lockdown occurred. Some people lost good opportunities, business opportunities because the lockdown occurred. Some people lost their livelihood because they were daily wage earners and they could not earn enough. Some people lost their homes. Some people lost their so many things people lost. Some people lost their lives also. All right. Well, the story is not relevant for people, those who lost their life, unfortunately, but those who are alive, they can value their health. ठीक है, ये हमारे लिए important है अभी तक. Well, थोड़ा सा और मैं प्रोग्राम करता हूँ कि जो है हमें चीज को कौन सी चीज को चीज की कैटेगरी में लाना चाहिए. ठीक है. Relationship, for example, we take some of our relationships also for granted. ठीक है. Well, husbands takes the wife for granted. They tell whatever comes to their mouth. They behave, they treat them whatever way they feel like. They treat them like subordinate and who is supposed to just listen or do their orders and do things. Sometimes wives take the husband for granted. They put a lot of demands or conditions on them, and they treat them like inferior, and they do not give them the value they deserve in the family, and they just condemn, criticize, and always keep complaining. This is the not valuing the cheese you have. Cheese is the positive relationship which a person may have with his or her spouse. So when you do not value your cheese, the cheese is lost. And when the cheese is lost, you will be in a condition like him and her are. ठीक है, it's not fair, this should not be done, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, etc. You would end up doing things like that. ठीक है. And for some of us, it may be a customer who often visits our, एक ऐसा कस्टमर जो हमेशा जो है हमारी शॉप पे आता है, हमसे खरीदता है. So we take it for granted. We ask him to wait and we start serving new customers. हम नए कस्टमर को जो है मदद करना शुरू कर दें. This is like not valuing our cheese. What happens? The customer will be lost. The customer may go to the competitor. किसी और के पास चला जाएगा. ठीक है. For some of us, it may be money. We overuse, we misuse, we wrongly use the money. ठीक है. So that is also cheese lost. After the money is lost, we may realize that we have lost a lot, and there is nothing to use now. And for some of us, cheese may be the job which requires you to be always active, dynamic, and updated. लेकिन हम में से कुछ लोग जो है अपडेट नहीं करते, and we become lethargic. चलो जॉब मिल गया है, रूटीन, वो लकीर के फकीर बोलते हैं ना, वैसे ही जो कर रहे हैं वही कर रहे हैं. There is no upgradation in our skills. There is no development. We do not foresee things. हम आगे का नहीं सोचते. कोई और कर रहा है तो अब बहुत हाइपर एक्टिव हो गए, बहुत ज्यादा अभी बॉसी बन जाएंगे कंपनी के. He will own the company. We criticize people like that. And worst thing, हमारे अंदर और एक बुरी आदत है, most of us. That is, I'm talking about people, those who lose things because of their mistake, but they blame it on others. ठीक है. like just example दे रहा हूँ मैं, people those who been abroad, गल्फ में काम करके आते हैं, and they when they come back here they always condemn or complain about Malayalis, Mallus. They are like that, they are like this, they do things like that. वो हमेशा community एक ही साथ ग्रुपिज्म करते और हमेशा जो है अपने काम करते. That's what they do, and that's how they grow. There might be things which might not be very ethical or things like that हो सकते हैं, लेकिन you look at the positive side of the story. They are so involved in their work, and people here in Telangana also abuse the Andhrites for that, because they are more active, they are more agile, they are more dynamic, and they are more having focus on their work. They do not rest, they do not relax, and because we do not act like them, we start complaining them. All right, so let's come back to the topic. चीज जो है हमारे लिए हमारा जॉब भी हो सकता है. हम अगर हमारे जॉब में अपग्रेड नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपडेट नहीं हो रहे हैं रोजाना or as per the situation, then one fine day we are going to lose the cheese we have, and the cheese is the job we hold. It's not fair, who moved my cheese? ये जो है आपके hem and haw पुकारने लगे जोर जोर से, but there was nobody to listen to them. They shook their head in disbelief, बड़े अफसोस के साथ जैसा हम बिहेव करते, and their haw जो है बिल्कुल he was like frozen, उन्हें तो बिल्कुल जम गया था बोलते हैं ना, वैसा हो गया शॉक के मारे, because the cheese was not there. Hem was trying to say something, hem कुछ बोल रहा था, लेकिन जो हाथ जो है बिल्कुल he was stuck. He was like I cannot believe this. कभी कभी होता ना आपको, how did this happen? It's so shocking. You cannot expect. How can he win the second term? कैसा? This is so shocking. So that's how he was frozen. यहाँ पर I want to recollect one of the couplet of Allama Iqbal. I'm fond of his shairi. So Allama Iqbal says to people, those who are very lethargic and those who procrastinate things, उनके लिए जो है अल्लामा इकबाल बोल रहे हैं, खुदा तुझे किसी तूफान से आशना कर दे. That means God should bring in some kind of calamity in your life. खुदा तुझे किसी तूफान से आशना कर दे कि तेरे बहर की मौजों में इज्तराब नहीं. Because your ocean, the ocean of your life is all calm and nothing is happening there. You are just lying like a dead body. A dead body कैसी होती है? अपनी जगह पड़ी होती है. There is no growth in the dead body. कोई हरकत नहीं है, कोई movement नहीं है, कोई जो है dynamism नहीं है. So most of us become like that. We do not move. Whenever we get something for granted, we take it very easy, and we become complacent. We do not work. We do not focus on new opportunities and new things. All right. And then, well, we would end after this particular thing. I think we are short of time now. It's almost 1. Then we will get to the next session. So cheese missing. What hem and haw did? Hem and haw जो है वहां पर रुक गए. बहुत देर तक जो है शॉक में थे वो लोग. They could not, in fact, think about the next action, क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से वो जो है आदी हो गए थे वो चीज स्टेशन सी आकर चीज खाने में. तो अभी उनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करना है. Like some of us fail for the first time. डिग्री में सेकंड ईयर में फेल हो गए अचानक से. अब तक पास हो लेते आ रहे थे. एसएससी में तो 7.5 जीपीए था, 8.5 जीपीए था, बट डिग्री सेकंड ईयर में टू पेपर्स रुक गए सेमेस्टर 2 में. might have happened with some of you. Semester 1 में रुक गए डिग्री में. So it's like missing cheese. So they are shocked. They don't know what to do. So they got depressed. They sat somewhere and they got frozen, and they felt that अरे हमारे को कोई बताना था. Somebody should have guided us. When I ask people in a session of job seekers कि आपको जो है स्कोर आप नहीं किए ज्यादा मार्क्स या जो है आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रहे हैं, whom do you blame for that? किसको जिम्मेदार ठहराते हैं आप? So they say people have not guided us. लोग हमको गाइड नहीं करे. So why would somebody come and guide you? It's good. People would come and guide you also. That's what Career Guidance Council is meant for, to come and guide you. लेकिन people, those who want, they have to go. Spanish एक कहावत है. There is a proverb in Spain. They say the one who has a stomach ache should eat the medicine. Common sense की बात है. जिसके पेट में दर्द है उसी को दवा खानी है. ठीक है? Not somebody else. So they felt that nobody has warned them. किसी ने उनको बताया नहीं कि चीज खत्म हो रहा है. Even Sniff and Scurry did not tell them, or nobody cautioned them. And they realized that they made their future plans on that basis. चीज है बोल के मालूम था बोल के पूरे future plans बनाए हुए थे. Hem and haw जो है अपने फैमिली को लेकर बहुत सारे जो है उनके आइडियाज थे, जैसा कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोगों के आइडियाज थे. And all of a sudden things happen and we are all aghast. हम सब सरप्राइज शॉक हो जाते. and sitting there, they thought and thought and thought, and they had to go back home hungry. उस दिन जो है उनको वहां से भूखे पेट ही जाना पड़ा. And going back, they wrote on the wall of the cheese station, the more important your cheese is to you, the more you want to hold on to it. यहाँ पर hold on to it से मुराद हमारा मतलब ये है, या उनका मतलब ये था कि जो है चीजों को हम छोड़ते नहीं, जहन से निकालते नहीं ना कुछ हो जाने के बाद. For example, some people may lose job and they hold on to that. How can I lose the job? Some people may lose a promotion opportunity because some of your colleague has done something bad or wrong, and we hold on to that. अरे ऐसा कैसा कर सकते हैं मेरे साथ, उन्हें politics खेल दिया हमारे साथ, kind of, and we do not correct ourselves, rather we hold on to what somebody has done. So hem and haw write on the wall, the more important cheese is to you, the more you want to hold on to it. You cannot let go it, let it go. ठीक है, अगर हमें जिंदगी में तरक्की करना है तो we have to let go of things. All right, so I'm stopping here. Any questions quickly we can take for 5 minutes, and then we'll continue the next part of the story in the next sessions inshallah. Like what happens after a few days. क्या hem and haw वहीं पर भूखे मर जाएंगे, या क्या स्निफ एंड स्करी वापस आएंगे चीज स्टेशन पर, क्या वो लोग कुछ नया चीज स्टेशन मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, will they ever meet again, and what happens, how is the end of the story, all we will see in the coming to subsequent sessions meanwhile. ठीक है, so any questions from anybody here?
Sir, I have a question here.
Yes, Jamil.
As you said that we have to let go the things, but sometimes things will be more important to us that we get stick to it, and we don't know how to let go the things. So can you share some best practices how to let go the things?
Very good. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है माशाल्लाह. Like हम शुरुआत में एक पॉइंट डिस्कस कर रहे थे और एक एग्जांपल दिया था मैं कि कहीं पर कोई चीज अगर नहीं है तो उसको वहां पर लाने के लिए पहले एग्जिस्टिंग चीज को हटाना पड़ेगा. That is one way. ठीक है, if you let go of the negative energy, the positive energy may come in. That is one way. Second way is you get the positive energy and the negative energy will go away from there. Second way. But the question is how to do that. ये तो concept wise अगर हम बोलने के लिए तो बहुत simple है, आसान है. एक छोटा सा example मैं आपको दूंगा. Please experiment this as I tell this. मैं generally बहुत सारे session में example देता हूँ. आपको इससे पहले शायद सुने होंगे आप. If I tell you I am going to snap now, मैं ऐसा snap करने वाला हूँ और snap 10 seconds के लिए करूंगा मैं. वो 10 seconds के दरमियान में आपको चार मीनार के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. ठीक है? Time starts now. You should not think about Charminar. Okay, only 5 seconds I did it. But how many of you were able to avoid thinking about Charminar? Usually it doesn't happen. Because I asked you not to think about Charminar, your mind would definitely think about Charminar. So now, okay, stage 2, phase 2. Now I'm going to snap. And when I'm going to snap, you should think about lion. Think about lion, all right? Okay, how many of you thought about Charminar? None of you are raising hand. But I'm sure some of you, how many of you thought about lion or actually? कितने लोग सुन रहे हैं वो तो देखेंगे जरा. How many of you have thought about lion? When I snapped? All right, बहुत आहिस्ता आ रहा था शायद lion. People are raising hand very slowly. All right. So what did we do? हम चारमीनार को नहीं सोचो बोलने के बजाय हम ये बोले कि lion को सोचो. So when you are thinking about lion, automatically the Charminar goes away. So how to let go of things? You get into new things, the old things will let go of. वो automatically या जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जाएंगे. That doesn't mean, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें उस चीज से सबक नहीं सीखना चाहिए. We should learn our share of lessons. We should have that somewhere to look back and see and learn lesson and again get ahead in our direction. Inshallah. Any more? Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Now, how to कैसा बोलेंगे थमे हुए समंदर को जो है ना हरकत में कैसा लाना पड़ेगा?
थमे हुए समंदर को कैसा लाना बोल तो जो जहां पर लोग हरकत में है ना उनके साथ थोड़ा वक्त गुजार लेना. तो स्लोली क्या होता, द कमोशन विल ट्रांसफर. मैग्नेट को अगर आप लोहे से घसेंगे तो लोहे के अंदर मैग्नेटिक कैपेसिटी आती है ना, वैसे ही ये रीड बुक अबाउट पीपल जिनके जो है जिंदगी में इस्तिराब था, जो रेवोल्यूशनरी लोग थे, जिनके आइडियाज डायनामिक थे और जो बहुत कुछ करे हैं, उनके बारे में पढ़िए. उनके बारे में सुनिए और उनके बारे में सोचिए फ्री टाइम पर। ऐसे लोगों से मिलिए जो एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व हैं सोशल वर्क में, काम कर रहे हैं डायनामिकली, दोज हु आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग बैक टू द सोसाइटी एंड दोज हु आर डूइंग ग्रेट थिंग्स। दिस विल इंशाल्लाह ताला हेल्प यू get to these things. And Allama Iqbal says, और एक Allama Iqbal का शेर है, वो कहते हैं तायर लाहौती, he often refers to birds, बड़े birds की तरफ वो जो है इशारा करते हैं। तायर लाहौती he is referring to a big size bird belonging to the species of eagle. So तायर लाहौती, उस रिज़्क़ से मौत अच्छी जिस रिस्क से आती हो परवाज में कोताही। मीनिंग सिंप्लीफाई कर देता हूं मैं, ऐसे रिस्क से, रिस्क डजंट मीन खाना ओनली, रिस्क के माने हैं तमाम, आपका वक्त आपका रिस्क है, आपकी सेहत आपका रिस्क है, आपके रिलेशनशिप्स आपका रिस्क है, आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपका रिस्क है, ये तमाम चीजें जो आपको मिल रही हैं वक्त आपका रिस्क है। तो जो रिस्क, ऐसे रिस्क से मौत अच्छी है जो रिस्क से हमारी परवाज में कोताही आ जा रही, समथिंग विच इज मेकिंग अस लेथार्जिक एंड आइडल एंड लेजी, उससे तो मर जाना अच्छा है। डजंट मीन दैट वी हैव टू get rid of life or suicide. Allama Iqbal doesn't mean that. He means get rid of this kind of things which are holding you back. जो चीजें आपको रोके रखी हैं आपके समंदर में तूफान आने से बचा रहा ना, उसको जो पकड़ रखी चीजें उसको थोड़ा सा रिलीज करिए। Last question, last idea before we close today's session.
One question I have. So
Yes,
just continuing with your example, that when you said that don't think about Charminar, and we started thinking about it, and then when you switched to Lion, so I mean in that time switching the thoughts, I mean how to switch the thoughts, because at that time when we are confused in one when we are thinking about something, we get lost in the maze that we do not know what good to think. So how, if you can tell that some ideas that how we can achieve that.
वेरी गुड, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह, बिल्कुल सही, बिल्कुल अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये। देखिए कोई भी हम जो अभी बात कर रहे हैं ना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की, वो अचानक या एक स्नैप में होने वाला नहीं है। इट इज गोइंग टू बी ग्रेजुअल, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस, क्योंकि वी आर यूज्ड टू वन, एक कंडीशनिंग हो चुकी है हमारी, वो कंडीशनिंग से हम बाहर निकलने की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये ग्रेजुअल ही होगा। पॉइंट नंबर 1। पॉइंट नंबर 2, नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, क्योंकि हम इस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, इस बारे में सोच रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वी आर ऑलरेडी टेकिंग ए स्टेप इन दैट डायरेक्शन। ठीक है। पॉइंट नंबर 3, ये चीज को बार बार आप जहन में लाएंगे कि मुझे दूसरा कुछ सोचना है, आई हैव टू थिंक समथिंग न्यू, लेट मी डू समथिंग डिफरेंट। बार बार लाएंगे तो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ठीक है। whenever you think, I give you a small example. My father shared this with me, that he was sitting with his क्या बोलते हैं, अपने पीर मुर्शिद के साथ बैठे हुए थे, तो somebody came and asked, साहब मैं जब नमाज पढ़ रहा हूँ तो मेरा माइंड जो है घूम रहा, अफजलगंज चला जा रहा और शालीबंडा चला जा रहा और चारमीनार चला जा रहा, मेहदीपट्टनम चला जा रहा, मैं नमाज में हूँ बट माय माइंड इज वैंडरिंग हियर एंड देयर। सो द साहब सेड, यू डू वन थिंग, आपका माइंड जा रहा ना, उसको फिर पकड़ के लेके आओ, अरे फिर चले जा रहा, फिर लेकर आओ उसको, इट गोज टू अफजलगंज, गेट इट बैक, it goes to Mazum Jahid market, get it back, goes to Dilsukh Nagar, get it back. Every time the mind goes, you get it back. So many times that the mind gets used to staying back. ठीक है। तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, किसी भी चीज में स्टक हो गए, हमको मालूम नहीं हो रहा how to get out of this maze, the moment you realize that you are in a maze, get out of that. Then after 5 minutes you are again in the maze, and you discover after 15 minutes, but you discover, then you get out of the maze, then again you get out of that, and then this cycle will continue. होते होते क्या होगा, the duration we spend in the maze will come down, and उसके बाद क्या होगा, this is inshallah the bless of Allah actually, उसके बाद ये होगा कि you will be habituated to get out of the maze. जैसे ही आपको जो है आप मेज में आएंगे, ऑटोमेटिकली जो है आप छोड़ो यार अस्तगफिरुल्लाह, बल्कि you will just move out of these things. नेगेटिव थिंकिंग आपकी जो है आपकी कंडीशनिंग से बाहर चली जाएगी इंशाल्लाह। All right, so we'll stop here. Wahid, can we stop?
Yes, sure. I wish we could not, but we have to.
चलिए, inshallah we are going to meet again next Sunday, same time inshallah. Please come. You can ask your friends also to join. Join with a pad and pen, and also join with some of the experiences to share, so that we make the session more lively and interactive inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Sure.
Warahmatullah.
Thank you for the session.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Walaikum assalam. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.